Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxings and today I have a special edition of Glossybox. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I do appreciate your loyalty. And if you just subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you. I actually had signed up for Glossybox for like 3 months, and after the 3 months I just really wasn't impressed with it, as it had a lot of sample sizes, and I believe it's $21 a month just to pay for samples. So I did like their products, some of the products that they put in there, and I got an email that they were doing a special AMOREPACIFIC box. It's like all skincare. There's no makeup or anything in there. And I want to say I paid like $30 with the shipping and everything. And I love me some good skincare, especially at my age. So let's unbox it. I actually did try to unbox this the other day and I just wasn't feeling it. And when I looked back at the video, it was like, I have to do it again. So I did open it, but it's got beautiful packaging. So you can tell I've already started the Robin destruction on this. And again, it is all skincare, which was really nice because then you're not getting duplicates of mascaras and lip liners and products like that. You know what you're getting in the box. So the first thing is Dermagentle, and this is Sisa Cream, hypoallergenic to soothe your skin. And I figured this out. This is if you have sensitive skin, which I know a lot of people do. So this was made just for, you know, people with sensitive skin. Plant-based ingredients doesn't mean if you don't have sensitive skin that you can't use it, but it's just nice that they're thinking about people that have sensitive skin. I'm not going to open it and test it because I just might give it to somebody that I find that has sensitive skin. The next thing that is in the box is, and I can't pronounce this, Laneige, L-A-N-E-I-G-E. It's a water sleeping mask for all skin types. I got in one of my boxes a mask that you leave on all night, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna give this a try. You don't have to worry about peeling it off or anything. Well, I had it on. Now you're supposed to leave it on all night. I had it on for maybe 10 or 15 minutes and I felt like my face was on fire. It just kept burning and burning and burning to the point where it's like I had to go wash it off. I'm sure it was probably something to do with the ingredients that didn't go along with my skin, but yeah, I think I actually just threw it out. So this is another sleeping mask, but it's water-based. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. And they only give you a little sample of this, but we'll give it a try. The next thing in there is by AMOREPACIFIC, and it's a vintage single extract essence. This one I could not for the life of me figure out. And I didn't tell you there was no instruction ingredient booklet in this box. Most boxes have what the products are, what's in them, in even how to use them. This box did not. So I meant to go look it up online and I didn't. First I thought it was perfume and I put it on and it didn't smell. So I have to go figure out what you do with this. I'm thinking it's a sample size of whatever it is. So if you know what this is, let me know. The next thing is by Mamand, and it's a pore clean clay mask. And I think this one's got the little thing on there. But this looks kind of neat. Let's just test it out. Yeah, it's not really gritty or anything. It smells like a spa. This does smell really good. I went to, I'm always practicing with my makeup. I watch all sorts of makeup videos and other YouTubers that do unboxings and try to get good makeup tips. Well, I got this powder, I guess it's a setting powder or maybe just a glow powder or highlight powder. And of course it had the thing on the top, so you had to kind of, and of course the powder went everywhere. It was on the sink, on the counter, it got all over my hand. I took out the Lysol wipes, tried to get it, but you know there's gonna be powder in there and it's all over my skin. So if I start to glow, it's the powder. The next thing in the box is AMOREPACIFIC, the Essential Cream Fluid, and this is apply 1 or 2 pumps after cleansing and toning. So it doesn't actually say it's a moisturizer, but look at the bottle. That's a nice bottle. I'm thinking it might be a moisturizer. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, I don't want to spill it, but this is what it looks like. Wasn't expecting that. It's very thin and lightweight, whatever it is. And it goes on really nice. Doesn't really have that much of a smell. So I have to, again, look it up and see what this is. I don't think it's a moisturizer because I can feel it like kind of working in there. So it might be like an anti-aging. I really wish they would have put a booklet in here. Okay. And then I got this cleansing moisturizer foam cleanser. Sorry, I'm dropping things. And it's a big bottle. And if you all got your BoxyCharm, they put in a big cleansing there as well. But look at this. This is really pretty. It's cleansing and moisturizing with shea butter. And it's supposed to brighten your skin. So I might have to put this next in line after I'm done with my current cleanser. I didn't open it because I'm not going to use it right away, so I don't know what it smells like. And then the last thing in the box, as I get my little squigglies all over, is Wasu First Care Activating Mask. And of course, I'm thinking it might be Korean because I can't read it. So it's just, you leave it on for 10 or 20 minutes and that's it. So that was everything that was in this box. Let me know what you thought of it, if you're a skincare junkie or a makeup junkie. Would I order this again? Probably not. It was just, I like skincare. I like to see what's out there and testing it. And I said some of the products that I use don't work for me, so I have to, you know, throw them out. But it was a nice box to try once. So as always, leave comments, comments, comments. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next video.